going to learn how to clean a toilet like a pro. Bring in your supply tray and set it down beside the toilet. Raise the seat and flush the toilet. Now we're going to use our toilet brush to plunge the water down the drain. This will free up more of the bowl to be clean and allow us to attack that pesky mineral ring. Now, using our cleanser, we'll sprinkle that around the bowl to make sure that we get this thing nice and clean. We're going to return that back to the tray and we're going to give a good scrub all the way around the bowl, under the rim, down into the throat. Make sure that you don't miss any spots, because if you're consistently missing spots, it will build up and be harder to clean later. Now we're going to let our cleaner sit, and we're going to let our brush drip dry into the bowl. Now that our cleaner has had sufficient dwell time, we're going to return. Let's open the seat and we're going to put our dry brush back in the tray. We're going to grab our cleaning agent, in this case deionized water, and we're going to grab a toothbrush. Please don't use the toothbrush that you use on your teeth. Turning our attention back to the toilet, we're going to spray down the top edge of the bowl. We're going to spray the seat, a lid if you have one, and around the hinges. Using our trusty toothbrush, we're going to scrub around the hinges to make sure that there's no buildup and to take away all that odor-causing bacteria. Now we're going to close the seat, and again the lid if you have one. We're going to spray the seat, and we're going to spray behind where the hinges are. And again, we're going to get back there and make sure that we get any buildup that's around the hinges. If you have hinges that can open, you might want to open them up, because a lot of stuff can hide there. Turning our attention to the top of the tank, we're going to spray it down with deionized water, making sure to get the handle and the sides and top. Now we're going to use a microfiber cloth to wipe down every surface and to get around the handle. The microfiber and the deionized water work together to provide a clean surface free of bacteria. Make sure to reach around the back too, because a lot of dust hangs out here. Now that we've finished the tank, we're going to start working our way back down to the floor, raising the seat and wiping down all the areas that we scrubbed on earlier with our toothbrush. Make sure that you wipe between the hinges and all the tight areas. Don't let anything linger behind. Also turn your attention to the rim of the bowl. We're going to continue our way down, and we're going to work on the outside areas of the bowl, and behind the bowl, around the bolts, and around the floor. This is a crucial step that many people miss. Take your trusty toothbrush, scrub around the bolts. You can also get around the edge of the floor if necessary. We're going to focus on the bolts here. We're going to take our microfiber cloth and we're going to wipe around the back edge, again, paying attention to where dust might build up, places that don't get cleaned very often. We're going to work around the bowl, around the front, and down under that bottom edge. Again, this is another place that people tend to miss. You can fold your cloth to find a clean face when you need it. Now we're going to make sure to get the floor around the toilet. This is a place where if you have little boys or men in your house, they might be missing. Wipe it down really good. Now we're going to return all of our tools back to our tray, and we're going to head out.